Hello and welcome back. We're continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 298. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 6, 2. If we look at this column, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 1. And for this row, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. We've got 1, 3, and 7 covering this box. So this is our 4. That 1 and 3 means this is our 7. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this bottom row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here. So our 9 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 3, 2, 7. That 2 makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 1, 3. The 7 makes this our 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 5, 8. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.